Statistical Quality Control. 1. Statistical Quality Control, SQC, is a set of techniques and tools used to monitor, control, and improve quality by analyzing data and applying statistical methods. 2. SQC involves the collection and analysis of process and product data to identify variations, trends, and patterns that may affect quality performance. 3. It uses statistical tools such as control charts, histograms, and Pareto analysis to visualize data, detect abnormalities, and prioritize improvement efforts. 4. SQC helps to establish and maintain process stability and predictability by identifying and addressing common and special causes of variation. 5. It enables organizations to set appropriate control limits and specifications based on statistical analysis, ensuring that processes operate within desired performance levels. 6. SQC includes the application of probability and statistical distributions to analyze and interpret data, enabling organizations to make data-driven decisions. 7. It helps in identifying and reducing process variability, thereby improving product consistency and reducing defects and waste. 8. SQC provides insights into the capability of processes to meet customer requirements by calculating process capability indices such as CP and CPK. 9. It allows for the detection of assignable causes of variation, facilitating the identification and elimination of root causes of quality issues. 10. SQC involves the use of sampling techniques to assess the quality of incoming materials, intermediate products, and final outputs. 11. It enables organizations to perform hypothesis testing to determine the statistical significance of process changes or improvements. 12. SQC supports the implementation of quality improvement methodologies such as Six Sigma and DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, control. 13. It helps in identifying trends and patterns in data, enabling organizations to anticipate potential quality problems and take preventive actions. 14. SQC provides a framework for continuous monitoring and feedback, allowing organizations to track quality performance over time. 15. It facilitates the comparison of different processes, products, or suppliers based on statistical metrics and performance indicators. 16. SQC supports the establishment of process control plans and quality assurance procedures, ensuring that processes operate within acceptable limits. 17. It enables organizations to quantify and communicate quality performance using statistical measures such as defect rates, process capability indices, and sigma levels. 18. SQC helps in determining the required sample sizes for inspection or testing, balancing the need for accurate results with practical considerations. 19. It supports the analysis of data from various sources, including process measurements, customer feedback, and quality audits, to gain a comprehensive understanding of quality performance. 20. SQC promotes a data-driven approach to quality management, fostering a culture of evidence-based decision-making and continuous improvement.